Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a vlog style video. I think this is the first time I'm doing it on my channel, and I hope you like it. Do let me know in the comments below if you like the earlier ones or like the vlog style. The reason I'm doing vlog style is basically I don't have the time to set up the tripod, to set up the background and all that stuff. So I thought, why not do a vlog style video? So the last week has been really hectic. I lost my phone, but the good part is I received few products from Glamrada, and I think they actually make a really good spa products. So I'm gonna incorporate those 3 products. By the way, if you follow me on Instagram, my handle is this. You would already know what the products are because I had posted a Insta video on it. So if for people who are not aware what I have received, here it is. So for people who don't know what Glamrada is basically a website where you can post your honest reviews, and if you're lucky, they actually send you products for review purpose. So I think this is really an amazing concept, because for me, I always check the reviews of any products before I buy, because I'm not sure and I don't want to waste my money. So I always go up to Glamrada to check the reviews. There are like so many reviews you can check and then go and buy the product. So okay, let's get back to the video. So I've added all the products in this bag and I'm gonna use it today. I'm really excited. Okay, so the first product that I'm really excited about is, just let me remove everything, is this one. This is basically green tea from the brand Sheer Secret, and look how cute the bottle is. This is of course the trial pack, and there are 2 that I've received. One is the lemongrass and one is the peppermint, and let's see what I'm gonna try first. I think I will go for both. Actually smells really good, but the lemongrass is for the intestinal decongestion and the peppermint is for the ultimate soother. The ultimate soother, and I think I need the ultimate soother, so I'll go for the peppermint ultimate soother. And this is what it looks like. The second thing that I received is the face mask from Mutsav. Now I have already used quite a lot of sheet mask from this brand, and it's amazing. This one is new, and yep, I'm really excited to try this. This is a skincare facial mask, collagen silk mask sheet. Now this one is for anti-wrinkle moisturizing brightening. It's suitable for dry skin, perfectly suitable for dry skin. Now I have combination skin, but I'm still going to use it. It's for mature and prematurely aging skin, which is really good, because if when you're in 30s, I think this mask is wonderful, and I'm going to try this. Okay, and the last one that I'm really excited about is this hair mask. So yep, let's get started with the video. And you can see the green tea is actually a brown in color. Okay, the green tea actually tastes like Halls, if you know what I mean. You know how the Halls taste. That this one is really good for stomach cramps, if you're having a headache and just want to relax. I think this one is perfect. Let's move on to my hair now. Try to get rid of the knots. let me read the instructions. After cleansing your hair, take Aranya hair pack onto your palm and apply. Massage gently onto full hair length and scalp, avoiding the eyes. Allow pack to penetrate the hair and scalp skin for 10 to 15 minutes to nourish your hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly. So I have actually washed my hair yesterday, so it's okay, I'm going to use it today. So I finished removing the knots and I'm going to wet my hair. First I'll concentrate on my scalp. This comes in a very creamy light texture. Has a nice pleasant smell also. Concentrating on the ends of the hair. So I've nicely covered my hair with this mask, and to be honest, I'm going to keep it as long as I can. I'm going to tie it in a bun. So regarding the mask, I actually thought I'm going to finish the whole tube, but I actually used very little because the consistency was very creamy and almost like 2 tablespoons, and my whole hair is covered and there's still a lot of product in this. So I'm excited to use this again. So for the sheet mask, it's very important that you steam your face before you apply any mask. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the towel and I'm going to soak it in hot water and then I'll put it on my face. So just applied a hot towel on my face and now I'm going to use the sheet. Oops. Apparently I dropped an essence in my green tea. Always put on all the essence that is left on your neck, on your hands, on your legs, and I'm going to rest for some time and then get back to you with the review. Mutsap masks are always very hydrating, so if you are having actually dull and dry skin, like it's mentioned it's for suitable for dry skin, I think this is amazing because it really makes the skin nicely moisturized and a bit glowing. I had these masks from starting, and overall, yes, my skin is kind of glowing, especially near the T-zone. Overall, my skin is moisturized, soft and glowing, and I love it. Now time to check my hair mask. Now I'll show you the end product of how the hair mask has worked well for my hair after it completely dries off. If you're wondering what this yellow thing is, it's a t-shirt. I love using t-shirt to dry my hair as it doesn't dry my hair. So this is what my hair looks after my hair is dried. I'm not sure if you can see the difference. So to be honest, this mask I was really excited about out of all the 3 products, and this one did an okay job. My hair is still dry. I don't know if you can see. I have not applied any serum, but I have to apply a serum now. It's an okay mask, not that great considering the fact that it had argan oil. You know, hair spa is supposed to be more concentrated. When you use a conditioner and use a hair spa mask, the hair spa mask does much better job than the regular conditioner, but this one was just okay. It wasn't great or anything. So yeah, I mean, I really love the peppermint green tea from Sheer Secret, and I'm gonna buy the bigger bottle as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and the reviews, of course. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. for more such videos. For now, bye.